Hey viewers, welcome to Mr. Cashewnut channel. Today we are going to see how to install Microsoft 365 2021 with all Excel, Word, Access, everything, each and everything overall we are going to install. So first we have to go to this website and we should check English, whichever you like language, whichever you comfortable. So you should choose that and you should select and you should download that file. And after it download, you should click on the right and you just mount that file and right click run as administrator. And after that, you allow the yes, and after that you can run that program. You should have to wait for a minute and it will install. We are getting things ready and verify, and it will take time, so please be patient and relax. And once it install, I will let you know. And if you forget to subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and hit that like button and share button. Thank you so much, and please be watching. I will let you know. Finally, it completed. You just close the program and go to start and whichever you want, like Word, Excel. Okay, first we'll check whether the license is activated or not. Okay, finally it activated. And if you like this video, please subscribe and give the like button and share button. And thank you so much. Bye bye.